Hi everyone, welcome to Wits Connect. This is Raju Madhi, Assistant Professor of EC Department, Warangal Institute of Technology and Science. So coming to the today's topic of subtractor. Okay, in our previous class we discussed about adders like half adder and full adder. So coming to the half adder circuit, the half adder circuit is used to add the two binary bits. Okay, and the full adder circuit is used to add the three binary bits. And coming to this half subtractor, the half subtractor is used to find out the subtraction. That means that is used to perform the find out the difference between the two binary bits, and this will be gives the two outputs. Those all are called difference and barrow. Okay, so coming to the half subtractor, here the basic block diagram of the half subtractor is like this. So here the half subtractor and full subtractor and adders and full adder and half adder all are comes under this combinational circuit. So coming to the half subtractor, here I am giving two binary inputs. Those are like A and B, and this is a half subtractor circuit, and this will be gives the output of difference and barrow. So coming to the difference, here the half subtractor is used to find out the least significant bit and most significant differences. Okay, so here we are finding out the differences between the two binary bits. So coming to the combinational circuit of the half subtractor, here the logic circuit of the half subtractor is like this. Here I am using one exclusive OR gate, and this will be gives the, and here I am giving both inputs A and B, and this will be gives the output of the difference that is equal to A exclusive OR B, and this can be written as that is equal to A bar B plus B bar A. So coming to the barrow, here I am using one NOT gate. The NOT gate is used to give the complemented output, and this is one AND gate here. This is the AND gate, and this will be gives the output of the barrow, that is B is equal to A bar into B. So this is the actual output, and this is the actual logic circuit of the half subtractor. And coming to the truth table of the half subtractor, here what are the inputs we are giving here? Inputs like two inputs here we are giving. Those are A and B, and we are getting the outputs. Those are like difference and barrow. That means two outputs we are getting here, and here we have the combination of 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So here we will get the four combinations. And coming to the outputs, see here the half subtractor and half adder circuits both are similar, but the output of the carry and barrow will be different here. Okay, so same logic circuit, instead of half adder circuit, here we are using only one NOT gate. So this will be gives the output of barrow output. So coming to the, we already discussed that binary subtraction. When we perform the binary subtraction, 0 minus 0 is equal to 0 and 0 minus 1 is equal to 1 and borrow will becomes 0. Okay, and the next 1 minus 1 is equal to 0 and 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. So these are the binary subtraction performance. And here, so here 0 and 0, here there is no difference, so difference is equal to 0 and borrow is equal to 0. And we have 0 minus 1 is equal to 1 here and borrow will becomes 1. Okay, and 1 minus 0 is equal to 0, 1 minus 0 is equal to 1 and borrow is equal to 0, and 1 minus 1 is equal to 0, borrow will not be generated here, so that is equal to 0. So this is the truth table of the subtractor. And if we verify one condition for the difference, here I am taking a is equal to 0 and b is equal to 1. A is equal to 0, b is equal to 1. We have to get the difference is equal to 1 and borrow is equal to 1. Okay, so here a bar that is 0 complement is equal to 1 into b is equal to 1 plus b bar that is equal to 0 and a is equal to 0 that is equal to 1. So difference is equal to 1 here. Okay, and again for the borrow, here a bar into b, a is equal to 0, 0 complement 1 here, and b is equal to 1 into 1 that is equal to 1. So by the truth table and by using the logic boolean expression also, this is true, proved that this is the truth table for the of subtractor here. Coming to the of subtractor by using only NAND gates. So here designing the of subtractor by using only NAND gates. So we already discussed that the logic diagram of the NAND gate and its truth table. Logic diagram of NAND gate and its truth table. So here I am using one NAND gate and this will be gives the complement of and output. Okay, and giving the inputs both like A and B. And here this is the NAND gate 1 and this is the NAND gate 2 and here I am using the NAND gate 3 and this output is connected to the these two NAND gates inputs and this is the input. Okay, so and here we have a complement output and this two NAND gates output is connected to the NAND gate 4 here and this will be gives the output of the NAND gate, that is output to D. This will be the difference output. And here I am connecting the output of the barrow. For this barrow here I am using one single input NAND gate, and this will be gives the barrow output. So we have to get the output expression for the D is equal to A exclusive or B and borrow output is equal to A bar B. We have to get here, and for this here A is the input and this is the B input, and this will be gives the output of AB whole bar, A into B whole bar, and here A is the input and A into B whole bar, both are inputs, and here A into B whole bar is the input and B is the another input, and this will be gives the output of A into AB whole bar whole complement, and here B into AB bar whole complement. So these two all are the outputs from the NAND gate 2 and 3, NAND gate 2 and 3, and the output, actual output from the fourth NAND gate, that is equal to A into AB whole bar into B into AB whole bar and whole complement here, whole complement here. Okay, if we simplify this Boolean expression, we have to get the output D is equal to A exclusive or B, that is equal to A bar into B plus B bar into A. So here this is the total actual output, and that can be written as we have A into B whole bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. So this can be written as A into A B whole bar and again whole bar plus B into A into B whole complement. Okay, so here both complements are cancelled here, that is equal to A into B whole bar plus B into A into B whole bar. Okay, so similarly we have A into B whole bar can be written as A into A bar plus B bar plus B into A bar plus B bar. Okay, that is equal to A into A bar plus A into B bar plus B into A bar plus B into B bar. So here B into B bar and A into A bar is equal to 0, that is equal to A into B bar plus B into A bar. So these two terms are remaining, and this is the expression of A exclusive or B, that is D, difference D here. And coming to the borrow output, that is here, and B into A into B whole bar whole complement, and this will be gives whole complement, and both complements are cancelled, and we will get that if borrow B is equal to B into, we have A into B whole bar can be written as A bar plus B bar, that is equal to B into A bar into A bar plus B into B bar. Here B into B bar is equal to 0, so finally B is equal to A bar B. So this is the actual designing of the half subtractor by using only NAND gates. So next here we have the half subtractor, designing of the half subtractor by using only NOR gates. So here we have the universal gates like NAND gate and NOR gate. By using these two like NAND gate and NOR gate also we can design the half subtractor. Okay, so here designing of the half subtractor by using only NOR gate. So this is the basic NOR gate here I am using, and I am giving both inputs like A and B. Both are the inputs, and this A is again given for this is NOR gate 1 and another NOR gate here, and that takes the output of the first NOR gate, and this is the NOR gate 2, and here I am connecting NOR gate 3, and so here this will be gives the output of A plus B whole bar, and this is here A is the input, and here A plus B whole bar is the input, and here this is the B input. Okay, and here the last one, that is NOR gate 4 here, that is connected to the output of the second NOR gate and the output of the third NOR gates. Okay, so here the NOR gate 2 gives the output of A plus B whole bar whole complement, and here this is B plus A plus B whole complement, and this will be gives the output of A plus B whole complement whole bar plus b plus a plus b whole complement and total complement. And here I am connecting another single input NOR gate, single input NOR gate, and here I am taking the output that is equal to D, that is difference output D. So the output for the D gives, the output D gives a plus b whole bar whole complement plus b plus a plus b whole bar whole complement. And here these are the two terms and these are the two terms whole complement. Again the NOR single input NOR gate gives the whole complement here, and for this both complements are cancelled here, and this can be written as a plus b whole bar is equal to a plus b whole complement is equal to a bar into a plus b whole bar. So here this is the equation we will get by using the Boolean expressions, plus, and this is b bar into a plus b whole bar. Okay, here both complements are cancelled here, and that is equal to a into a bar plus a bar into b plus b bar into a plus b bar into b. That is equal to here a into a bar and b into b bar. Both are equal to 0. And finally we have the expression that is a bar b plus b into a bar. Okay, we have the expression that is a bar b plus b into a bar b bar a. This can be written as a exclusive or b. So that is the output of the difference for the given two binary inputs a and b. And here I am collecting the output that is called as borrow. So b is equal to a plus b whole bar here, a plus b whole bar and whole complement, and this can be written as a plus b whole bar can be written as a bar into a plus b whole bar, right? And here two complements are cancelled and multiply each other, then we will get a into a bar plus a bar into b. So this term will become 0 because of a into a bar is equal to 0. So finally we get the output borrow is equal to a bar into b. Okay, and the difference d is equal to a exclusive or b. So this is the output of the two input subtractor by using only NOR gates.